This is what other creators are charging. A couple months back, I did a survey where I got over 200 creators to leave either the Instagram or their TikTok rate, and they let me know their engagement rate, their following, and then how much they were charging for starting rates of content. Honestly, guys, I was literally floored at how different everyone's answer was, and this is when I realized there's actually a huge problem here. No one knows what the fuck to charge. So I put together this database and I publicized it. You can get it in the playbook that's in our bio. I wanted to do this because I wanted you to see what other creators are charging, to know if you're on the higher end or you're on the lower end, or just to give you an idea if you have no idea where to start. For example, let's start with creator number one. She has 3,181 followers, an engagement rate of 5 to 8%. This is for Instagram. Her starting feed post rate is 150. She also charges 150 for a reel. But then here's the problem. I have another creator that has 16,500 followers, 2 to 3% engagement rate on Instagram, also charges 150 for a feed post. 200 for a reel though. While I understand that follower count is not everything, this is a very, very drastic difference to be charging the same rate. Guys, it gets literally worse. There's another creator, 36,300, a 2% engagement rate on Instagram. Starting rate for an in-feed, $200. Starting rate for a reel, $300. If you're confused about what to charge, come to one of our TikTok audits. We do them quite frequently on lives. Or comment your handle below and I can try and help you out. All of the rates that I give are based on my experience working with creators to coach them to actually signing deals, so take it as you will.